In today's video, I'll demonstrate how you can basically fill out this field with a single phrase, select save, and after clicking, you will receive $25 to $30 for your effort. If you got the idea of today's method, this is absolutely legit. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on the red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So, the way money is made in this method is very simple, and you can do it over and over again from anywhere in the world. But you have to set this up right. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that. You can sign up for this website without paying anything right away, and you don't even have to be a great writer. Okay, so this is the main platform we'll be using. This is where you'll go to make simple videos with just one word. So you can type in one word, and this website will make a professional, high-quality video for you. I'll show you how you can actually get $25 to $30 for each video you make. So, as you can see, create irresistible videos in a jiffy, and don't worry, you don't need to be a professional editor to do this. You don't need to know how to edit for this. There's no need for a camera. You won't need to record anything, and you won't even have to show your face. You only need to type in one word, which you can do over and over again, and I'll show you how it works and how to get paid. Okay, so here, choose a fully personalized online video template and watch it build your video. You don't have to wait, so you can start generating money right away. It can't get any easier than this, since it's just one word that you can repeat. So this is Motionden.com, but don't go to the website yet, since you probably won't know how to use it to get money by typing one word. Instead, watch this video, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do and how to make money. Okay, so first, let's visit Motionden.com. I'll click the sign up button here. You can sign up by connecting your Facebook or Google account, which is easier and faster because it only requires one click, or by entering your email address and details manually. If you don't want to subscribe to their mailing list, which can be boring, uncheck this option. Signing up takes less than 60 seconds after that. So, Motionden lets you browse templates to produce professional-looking videos in less than 60 seconds by inputting one phrase. On the left, you can see all the different video categories. You can create ads, animated videos, videos for businesses, e-commerce videos, Facebook videos, food and restaurant videos, gaming, infographics, Instagram videos, YouTube intro or outros, and so on. You can also browse these professional 3D high-quality templates, and I'll explain how to use them. With that, there is one specific service which we'll be focusing on, and that is gonna allow you to make $25 to $30 for a single word that you type. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below. And if you do, that would be awesome. Without further ado, let's get back to work and earn some cash. Okay, so forget about all of these different categories for now. Instead, focus on intros and outros, which are the easiest and will let you make $30 or more per word. So let's choose introduction templates, and it'll give you some that you can use. Let's look around and see if we can find something really interesting. Okay, so I'll use this one as an example to show you how this really works. So I'll click on it and then click on edit this video to change it. Once you get to this page, all I have to do is click on this box and type in that one word. I'll show you what the word is, but let's say it's cash flow or digital cash flow. Just click save, then make video, and that's it. Now they'll instantly generate that video for me, and I'll teach you how to sell those videos for $25 to $30 again and again. I'll also show you proof that it works, since people are already making money with this method. So if you go to the dashboard, you'll find that my videos are rendering. I just need to wait a minute. As you saw, one word in the box gave me a high quality intro from which I can make money from. Let's try again. Let's start with intros in templates. You pick a template you like, let's say this one. I like it. Open it. You can add a logo if you click Edit this video or go straight to the text page. Click the text box and type the word. Save, click Make Video, and that's it. Now, with that said, there are more since you can also make money from an additional platform that I'm about to share with you. By the way, comment down below, I am from this country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from, so in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So, drop your country's name in the comments down below. Okay, first, you can begin to use Quicken Gigs. This site is a lot like Fiverr, and if you don't already know, Quicken Gigs is a freelancing website where millions of people come every day to sell their services. So regular people like you and me offer different services to other business owners and entrepreneurs. You can see that they partnered with big companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity. Now, this is just one of many freelancing websites you can use, but I'm recommending Quicken Gigs instead of Fiverr because it's not as competitive here. On Fiverr, hundreds or thousands of people offer the same service, but here, there aren't as many people offering those services, but there's a lot of demand. There are a lot of buyers, but there aren't many sellers, so it's great for people who are just starting out. Now, if you search for intros and outros on the site, you'll see that people are offering these kinds of services. While there aren't many people who offer services, the ones who do are good. As you can see, he's selling out cool 3D YouTube intros for $30, and he's made more than 5 sales. He has 5 feedbacks, and you know that not everyone leaves feedbacks, so he probably made more than 5 sales at $30. Now for you, that's just gonna take one word to type in Motionden, and then you can sell it on Quicken Gigs. For example, this person is selling their service for $25 and they got 1 feedback. This person wants $50 for it. This one for $20, this one for $10, this one for $5, this one for $10, and so on. Again, this is only one platform where you can offer the service to sell intros and outros. Stop here for a moment. I want you to take a deep breath and feel the money flowing your way because things will become better sooner. Before I reveal to you the last tips and tricks, we would like you to smash that like button as well as hit that red subscribe button, and so we will make these dreams come true. Oh, you completed that already? Thank you. And so let's begin the last step in making money online. Okay, so like I said, Quicken Gigs is not the only site you can use. You can also use sites like People Per Hour. Even on this site, if you type intro, you'll see more people offering this service, 171 to be exact, and they're all making sales, hundreds if not thousands. For example, this person has more than 1,500 feedbacks, which means they have sold more than 1,500 of these services. If you want to get the most out of your efforts, you can even use Fiverr. It doesn't cost you anything to post that gig, and if you get some sales, that's great. If not, it's okay. You can still use either of the freelancing websites. Now, Fiverr does have a huge amount of potential. You can see that people are selling the same kinds of services for more money, like $25 and $55, and they have even more expensive packages and make hundreds or even thousands of sales. So it does have a lot of potential, but there's also a lot of competition on Fiverr. With that said, I recommend that you try all of the different freelancing websites and not just one. Once you make a sale, you only have to type one word in this box. The customer will tell you what word to type. You click Save, you click Make Video, and then continue to Dashboard. You wait until that finishes loading, and as you can see, you can then save it to your computer. Now, to download it without a watermark, it's $39 per month. But if you sell it for $50 to $100, you'll still make a lot of money without paying up front. You can wait to pay Motionden $39 until you make a sale on a freelancing site to have money to use. For $39, you can upload a video that makes more than $50 in 60 seconds. Once you start making more sales and see you're making a good amount of money each month, you can then spend $39 a month for this unlimited plan, which is actually not a lot since you can sell an endless number of videos. So you could possibly sell 100 videos a month and only pay $39 for Motionden to do all of the hard work for you. You can definitely use Motionden and its templates to make professional videos just by typing one word in the box. You can then offer that service on other freelancing websites like Freelancer, Truelancer, Fiverr, Guru, People Per Hour, quickengigs.com, and so on and so forth. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you will start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video, and if you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.